Have a Merry Christmas with Anchor.
The Bartletts.
Kids are out. Fancy a quick noodle in bed.
New York, that's what
Ooh. Take care.
Cross and Blackwell introduced New York Takeout, a delicious range of pork, beef, and chicken Oriental noodle dishes in American-style takeaway cartons.
Ah, hi, kids.
Oh, Dad.
Cross and Blackwell New York Takeout, the American takeout experience from your freezer.
You don't need one of these. You don't need it. You need these. And this. You need things like this. But you don't need a Sara Lee pecan Danish. These you need. And these. And we all need this. But 96 layers of Sara Lee's butter pastry, this is not what we need. Not need, you don't. Nobody needs Sara Lee.
Ready Breck's natural oats enriched with calcium and vitamins are ideal for a growing child.
Those new boots seem to have done the trick.
Sure it's not your Ready Breck.
Hello?
Orange believe that your phone should work wherever you are. That's why we're installing more transmitters in more places than any other digital network. Orange, the network that performs.
Bye-bye.
Call 0800 80 10 80.
As the millennium approaches, the eyes of the world will be fixed upon the Millennium Countdown Clock at Greenwich Observatory, International Centre of Time. It will tell us all precisely when the new age begins. This clock has been designed and built by Accurist, so no one's celebrating the millennium until we say so.
Mr. Green can't see you today. He's off with the flu.
Tell him to take some of these. And I'll see him on Thursday.
New Lemsip Max Strength capsules.